To verify your identity on the Cash App, start by opening the application. Once open, tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner. Then scroll down and select the Security and Privacy option. This will allow you to access the identity verification feature. Tapping on the Verify option will prompt you to choose an ID verification method, such as a driver's license, passport, or proof of citizenship, which are all legitimate documents that can be used for verification. Having a verified ID is necessary for both security and legal purposes, and it is required to access all of the app's features. If you are over 18 and have the necessary documents, you can easily verify your identity and begin using the app. Verifying your identity is a straightforward process, and it is essential to take this step in order to use the app legally and securely.